everyone. This is Melanie, my husband Neal, and our son Decker. And that's Bella, our dachshund. We are a normal Canadian family who has chosen to live a non-normal life on the ocean for the past 15 years. Join our family as we restore our ferro-cement schooner Kiva, journey around Vancouver Island, and get ready to explore the world. Hello everybody. Welcome to a beautiful day on the west coast. We're up here in French Creek and we bought a boat, another one to add to the fleet. So this is inside. Let's see if we can do this. So we have a set dinette here, a couple little windows, and that's my galley right there. So the reason we bought another one is because our big boat, we have to cut the galley roof and the cockpit floor out because it's fiberglass, it needs to be redone, so does the plywood, and it's our main living area. And having a 4 or 5 year old child on board and all of that, fiberglass, etc., is really not cool. So I have the sunroof. Some boats coming in. This is a very busy fishing port, fishing grounds here, and that's a crab boat, yeah, or no, it's a prawn boat from the traps. Apparently the prawn guys are just getting ready to head out this weekend, so it's very busy around here. That is our new sailboat and our home for the summer. Hopefully we'll be going out sailing. A little secret for y'all, I don't know how to sail. I know. I own a 55-foot sailboat and I have no clue. I know boats, power boats, but I don't actually know how to sail. So the hope is that by being on a smaller boat and going out sailing, I'll start to learn the general principles of it and, you know, how it all works and all that sort of thing. Yeah, fingers crossed. Good morning, Neal.
Good morning.
Where are we?
We are off of the Bolinas Island out in the Strait of Georgia.
It is 5:40 in the morning. Very early. I haven't been up this early in a while. Not by choice, anyways. Yes, family, see, life jacket.
Life jacket.
Yes. Promised we would. Promised we would. Can you see over there? For those of you who've never sailed here, this is going into an area soon, maybe now, but soon, called Whiskey Gulf. It is a military training exercise zone. Today it is active. What you do is you call either the Coast Guard, that's the easiest, or there is a number. Ask if Whiskey Gulf is active and they say yes or no. And then if you're traversing the area and it is active, on VHF channel 10, you call Winchelsea Control. It is before 0700, so we're hoping to boogie our butts through before Whiskey Gulf happens. Watch where you're going. So you gotta go through the red and greens over there.
Oh yeah.
I don't think it is. Oh, there's a goose. A goose, 2 seagulls, and a seal so far. Yeah. There's room for both of you. going to another dock where they have hot food and a pub. And gonna get warm. Right?